You can count on begins with Doctors Hospital and Fort Gordon teaming up for some mass casualty training, trying to make sure that everybody is ready just in case the unthinkable happens. Here's Hannah Latier.
To prepare for possible future disasters, the hospital brought in service members and students at Augusta Christian Schools for its yearly tornado disaster drill. Wednesday's scenario was a tornado that started in Harlem, went through Fort Gordon, and ended at Jimmy Dias Parkway. Each participant was given a tag that had specific ailments listed on it, and they were categorized into groups.
It's never a good day when you have to do this kind of stuff for real, for obvious reasons, but I think if we ever have to, it'll be a good thing that we have done this before.
The green group was for minor injuries, the yellow group was for injuries that could progressively get worse, and the red group was for those who needed immediate help. And there was some special effects makeup to make it even more real.
Exposure to the events, exposure to the mentality, what you're going to see, what you're going to hear.
Although this simulation is helpful, leaders at the hospital want to remind everyone that it will be different in real life.
We'd be triaging people right there in the cars, having gurneys, wheelchairs, and beds available and ready to take them into the ER and stage them where we needed to in the hospital.
Different emergency response agencies in the area would also be involved.
We work great with EMA. We had our EMA director for Richmond County out here today doing evaluations for us, seeing how we did and all that. So we work real close with our entities outside Columbia County and Richmond County.
And overall, hospital staff was happy with how the drill went.
I think it went very well. We don't expect every drill to pass. You don't want every drill to pass. You want the drills to have errors and flaws so we can actually work on that to make it even better for next time.
After every patient was assessed, all staff and participants had a debriefing about what went well and what they need to work on for next time. In Augusta, Hannah Latier, WJBF News Channel 6.